Okay, so what I'm doing here is creating thumbnails, which is a term for like small little drawings, multiple drawings go on one piece of paper. So just create three rectangles of different orientations, horizontal, vertical, things like that to get started. And then what I'm showing you here is my process of sketching out the leaves. So be prepared, you're going to be drawing a lot of leaves, or it could be another object too, anything of your choosing, any plant, any article of clothing, any detailed contour drawing works. So I'm demonstrating here on my iPad because it's very easy to demonstrate this way. You can see it very clearly. I do recommend that you do this on paper with a pencil and with your colored pencils. But if you want to take the digital approach, you can, since these are just sketches and we're just planning things out. So what I'm doing here is I am planning out the arrangement of my leaves, and I am going to figure out where they go. Notice how all of the leaves are in different orientations. So some of them are crooked, some of them are cropped off the page, some of them are upside down, and they are also layered on top of one another. Being layered on top of one another gives it a more unique or interesting negative space to work with. So I'm drawing the leaves in detail and I'm layering them, and I can erase the parts that I layer over afterward, but I'm filling up the whole page with leaves and I'm cropping the edges. Okay, and then here I just put my diagonal line across the page. It's kind of swirled. It doesn't have to be a straight line. That's totally fine. But this is going to be my division between positive and negative space. And here I am adding my colors. Oops, I accidentally put a color where it was meant to go in the positive space. So I'm going to put it in the background now. And I'm adding one color at a time, planning out where they're going to go, planning out how they're going to divide together. And then I'm going to go in with my red. So notice how I'm doing warm colors because you need to choose between warm or cool colors. All right, and then here I am finishing up. I just blended all the colors together, and this is kind of the result that you want for a sketch. It's kind of messy. It doesn't have to be colored in perfectly. I do want to see three of these with the positive and negative space going on.